students. Today we are going to declare that what is the data type in C# and we are working. So I have saved a file especially for you with the name of data types. See, here's the name of the program, and I will define it static void main. These are the function and methods. So our program target is we want to know that what is the string phrase contains. For example, that if we want to know that the Computer Academy length of this character, so what should we need to write here after console write line. So this is the basically we have got a phrase, for example Computer Academy. So we have to write after console dot write line phrase, because we have the phrase Computer Academy and that is the length. We have to find it. So let's see that what is the output after pressing the Control F5. So see, there is a result, a task has been done. Because we wanted to know that what is the length of the Computer Academy. So these are the 16 characters in it. Okay, what is the next target? Because we are working on the data type and we are now targeting on the string. In my next lecture and the video lesson, you will see the more data types, like for example the character, integers and double and bool. These are the data types we will work in future in my next video lessons. For example, now if you want to know that what is the lowercase, how many lowercase in Computer Academy, so I have to type 2 and then it will automatically find 2 lower. 2 lower is the function, and it writes and specifies the string values followed by the current line terminator to the standard output stream. So here we go, output Control F5. See, this is the Computer Academy and the compiler has transferred, or it has been converted the capital C into small c here, and this is the capital A into small a. So that was mean by the 2 lower, means the lowercase alphabetically. For example, now if we require to find out that how many uppercase in Computer Academy, so definitely it will convert all the O, M, P, U, T, R and C, A, D, E, M, Y. So let's write it. Okay, so now press the Control F5 to build this program. See, the compiler has been converted all the small letters, all the strings, we can say the all the string phrase into the capital letter, because we wanted to find then in the uppercase. Okay, now next target is, for example, if you want to know that how many strings that the Computer Academy has. This phrase has how many letters, so that is the contents. And if you wanted to know that how many letters contain Academy, so I'm going to copy here. Like this, double quotation, Academy. Okay, now here we go, our output. So that is the true. So it means that the string phrase has got the Computer Academy but we wanted to know that is there academy in this phrase. So our output was yes, means true. For example, if we wanted to know that we already know that there are 16 letters, we already checked by the present phrase dot length. Now if we wanted to write, for example, just I'm deliberating writing here the mango. Now see what goes here. If the letter, for example, this mango word is not found in the above string phrase, so definitely the answer will be false. So here we go, our output. Control F5, see there is a result false. So it means that this concept has been clear. If I wanted to know that how many phrase and what is this array contain, for example the 0, so on 0 position, what this string phrase contains a letter. For example, if I wanted to know said what a letter on the 0 position, so let's see that what is the output. Here we go, pressing the control F5. So that is the C. Okay, so it means that C on the 0 position. And if I'm going to write 1, so see what is the result. Here we go. So that is the O. Okay, if I wanted to write that what is the on 4 position, so see what is the output. That is the U. Okay, for example, if I wanted to know what is the letter on, for example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's suppose I write here 8. So let's see what happens by pressing Ctrl F5. So there is none. For example, there is a space. So the computer automatically count the character space. So it will count the space as a character, and now on 9 definitely there will be answer on A. So here we go, our output. Control F5. So there is a A. Okay, viewers and students, this was the lesson regarding the changing in data type, and especially I focus on string phrase. In my next lesson I'll consider on different data types, so you will have to keep watching my channel, my videos, in order to learn more lesson and in order to enhance your knowledge regarding the C#. Thank you.